Hey there folks, and welcome to my studio. Today, we're going to be doing something a little bit different than the normal. We're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing this beast of a box of paint I got from Blick a few weeks back. So let's get going. Alrighty, so let's see what we got in the box. Alright, let's go here. Alright, so we got the Amsterdam White in the 500 milliliters. We've got two of them because we always using a lot of white. Alright, let's see, we got here, this is Oxide Black, loving it. Another 500 milliliters. Can't have too much black. And then we got this box here, smaller little box. Let's move these over. See what's in here. Oh, here's all the goodness. All right, let's see. So what do we got here? We're going to start off with, what's this? Oh, I can't read. Okay, this is Pearl Blue. We got a lot of these pearlescent colors. They're kind of like the interference from golden. And so we've got Pearl Blue. Let's see. There's Pearl Purple. There's another Pearl. Pearl Red. Pearl Green. What I like about these is they don't, the pearl colors and the interference from golden, when they mix, Pearl Violet, when they mix with the paint, they don't change the color a lot. They just give it that special look. All right. So then here we got a couple of whites, a zinc white there. What's this one? Another zinc white, a couple of zinc whites. Can't have too much white, zinc white. What's this one here? We got a couple of those. Yellow ochre, okay. Raw sienna, yellow ochre, raw sienna. Burnt sienna. Let's see. Turquoise green, turquoise, one of my favorite colors. Turquoise and purples go really well together. And this one is ultramarine violet. And Azo Orange. There you go. That's the paint I got in the mail a couple of weeks ago. Hey, thanks for joining me in the studio. If you'd like to see me use all of these paints in future videos, subscribe to my channel up here. And if you want to watch my latest video, you could get that over here in the card. Thanks again for watching. Have a great night. dark on this side. So we need to open it up and get going. Let's get going. Oh man, what the f is wrong with you? All right.